The Pentagon has announced a new military aid package for Ukraine, as Russia's invasion grinds into its sixth month. This latest package includes about $175 million in equipment, pulled from existing U.S. military stocks through Presidential Drawdown Authority, and $95 million in equipment from the Ukraine Security Assistance Initiative. The package contains 4 additional high-mobility artillery rocket systems or HIMARS, giving Ukraine a total of 16 such units. Ukraine will also receive several new vehicles, anti-armor weapons, and 36,000 rounds of 105mm ammunition. The aid includes a commitment by the Defense Department to deliver as many as 580 additional Phoenix Ghost kamikaze drones to Ukraine. Kiev says it has used the US-supplied HIMARS to successfully strike critical Russian assets and infrastructure in Ukraine. Ukrainian forces recently employed HIMARS to pummel Antonovsky Mist, a key bridge connecting the occupied Kherson region with Crimea. The attack only caused partial damage to the bridge, however, with local Russian troops reportedly managing to intercept most of the missiles. Last week, Ukrainian Defense Minister Oleksiy Reznikov said that Ukraine needs at least 100 HIMARS to turn the tide against Russia as fighting rages in eastern and southern Ukraine.